don't have too many markets in Asia trading, so can't tell you too much about the regional cues. But the overall cue is that we are starting off the year on a positive note. And let's see if we got that little bit of a cool off on Friday. So whether token trades this morning will start off optimistic or not. Right now the gift is showing a little bit of red. We'll see how this plays out. Let's bring this down to the stocks then that we need to watch out for this morning. And we have our team standing by with the CNBC-TV18 list of top stocks for the day. Guys, good morning to you and Happy New Year, of course. Abhishek, let's kick it off then. You're watching out for Bandhan Bank as well as Yes Bank. Why is that?
Well, to begin with, Happy New Year to our viewers. To begin with, Bandhan Bank, they are transferring their housing finance NPAs to an ARC. These are overdues of more than 6 months or more than 180 days. So outstanding worth 720 crore nearly is being transferred, and they are receiving a consideration of close to 290 crores, which forms a little more than 40% of this transaction's total value. This also forms about 2.7% of outstanding mortgage portfolio that they have. Sale forms about 65% of the outstanding NPS in the housing portfolio and about 9.1% of the total gross NPA that they have. So you may see gross NPA ratio coming down for Bandhan Bank on account of this sale of transaction that they have done. Yes Bank, they have already sold their NPAs to one ARC. Over there they have received about 150 crore from a single trust in security receipts portfolio. So NPA sale was done to JC Flower on 17th of December 2022. The outstanding security receipts is about 2,353 crores, which forms about 1.1% of their overall book as of Q2 FY24. Back to you.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Abhishek. Well, let's focus on a couple of stocks. That's ACC as well as Grasim, because they've commissioned a couple of their units. So for ACC, they have commissioned a cement manufacturing unit at Amita, that's in Madhya Pradesh. The total capacity out there is around 1 million tons, and the commercial production has started. That's production as well as dispatches. So good on them. The other one we're looking at is on Grasim. They have commissioned an additional 1.23 lakh tons of advanced materials. That's in Gujarat. With this, they've doubled their capacity of the advanced materials, because earlier it was around 1.23. Now, in fact, it's 2.46 odd. So expecting a tinge of green on both of them.
Moving on then, BHEL could be one of the big movers of the day. Vivek joins in for more on BHEL, GPT Infra and KPI Green. Vivek.
Well, good morning. BHEL has definitely started off 2024 on a very strong note. So newspaper reports indicate that the company has emerged as the lowest bidder, so L1 position. Now, this is for the 19,422 crore project from NLC India in order to go ahead and construct the supercritical thermal power plant at Talabira. Now, we've reached out to both BHEL as well as NLC India to confirm the news. We are yet to receive a response from both of them. Remember, at this point of time, H1 24, order inflows for BHEL has been 33,000 crore, one of the strongest on record for the company. Order backlog is well over 1.14 trillion. Now, the other stock on the radar is GPT Infra. The company again has received an order win, has emerged as the lowest bidder in an order for over 265 crore. This is for construction of a 4-lane bypass as far as West Bengal is concerned. Watch out for both of the KP group stocks, KPI Green as well as KPI Energy. Both of these companies have gone ahead and declared bonus shares in the ratio of 1:2 to their respective shareholders.
Okay, got that. Vivek, thank you very much for those stocks that we're looking out for. With that...
I think Sonal.
Okay, Sonal, yes. Over to you now. Which stocks are you watching out for today?
I'm watching out for 3 stocks. Let me start with Finiotex Chemicals. The company has acquired additional factory land premises. It is at Thane, Maharashtra. It is around 7 acres of land, and the company will be adding it to their overall asset portfolio. The total investments will be 35 crore rupees, which the company will be funding via internal accruals. Additionally, they've also set up a wholly owned subsidiary, which will be called Clean Specialties Private Limited, and has been incorporated on December 30th. Bodal Chemicals, while there is good news in terms of commencement of commercial production at their Unit 5, which is located at Sakya, India Ratings and Research, they have downgraded the credit ratings of the company to BBB plus negative. So that could be a dampener for the stock. For Dhampur Sugar, it is a positive news because the board will be meeting on 3rd of January. This is to consider a buyback. So these stocks on our radar today.
Okay, thank you very much for that. And watch for Zomato also, because the company has announced that on 31st of December yesterday, they saw record orders. Not surprising, I think even last year they had said that it was a record, but it looks like 2023, 31st December beat even those records. So Zomato could be another stock that should be on your radar. A quick recap then of the top stocks. Stocks with positive news flow are Bandhan Bank, Yes Bank, Grasim, ACC, BHEL, GPT Infra, KPI Green, Finiotex Chemicals, Dhampur Sugar. The only stock which is on our radar with negative news flow is Bodal Chemicals.